He was bold. He was brilliant. And he spoke truths that still echo today. Welcome to this powerful exploration of the words and wisdom of Stokely Carmichael. He was a civil rights activist, revolutionary thinker, and one of the most electrifying voices of Black liberation in the 20th century. Whether you're here to learn, reflect, or be inspired, these quotes will remind you that the fight for justice is not just history, it's a living, breathing call to action. Let's go. 1. There is a higher law than the law of government. That's the law of conscience. This quote reminds us that beyond man-made laws and governmental authority, there exists a moral compass within each individual conscience. It suggests that true justice and ethical behavior come not just from external rules, but from an inner sense of right and wrong. So always let your conscience guide you, especially when laws or societal norms conflict with what you deeply know to be right. 2. The secret of life is to have no fear. It's the only way to function. Stokely highlights the paralyzing effect of fear. He suggests that fear restricts our potential and that living freely and fully requires courage. Letting go of fear is not just desirable, it's essential for a meaningful life. In other words, freedom from fear unlocks your true potential and allows you to live authentically and fully. 3. Our noses are broad, our lips are thick, our hair is nappy, we are black and beautiful. This challenges negative stereotypes and celebrates physical features traditionally associated with Black identity. It is a bold affirmation of beauty and worth, encouraging self-love and pride in natural identity despite societal pressures to conform. True beauty lies in embracing who you are, your culture, your features, your identity. Celebrate it with pride. 4. What a liberal really wants is to bring about change that will not in any way endanger his position. This is a critique of superficial liberalism. It argues that many self-described liberals advocate for reform only as long as it doesn't threaten their own comfort, privilege, or societal status. It's a call-out of performative allyship and half measures that preserve existing power structures. True change requires courage and sacrifice, not just comfort and convenience. Stand for justice, even when it challenges your own privilege. 5. This country is a nation of thieves. It stole everything it has, beginning with Black people. The American pie means raping South Africa, beating Vietnam, beating South America, raping every country you've been in. I don't want any of your blood money. We must question whether or not we want this country to continue being the wealthiest country in the world at the price of raping everybody else. With this quote, Stokely fiercely indicts the United States' historical exploitation and imperialism. He links American wealth and global power to acts of violence, colonization, and slavery, calling out the hypocrisy of its moral leadership in the world. Stokely also rejects complicity in systems built on oppression, symbolized by the metaphor of the American pie. In other words, reject systems built on exploitation. Real power lies in standing with truth, not power built on harm. In conclusion, Stokely Carmichael didn't just speak truth, he demanded that we act on it. His words were not meant to comfort, but to awaken. Not to entertain, but to empower. He called for unity, self-determination, and the courage to challenge injustice, wherever it exists. These quotes are more than history. They are blueprints for liberation, reminders that the struggle continues, and that silence is never neutral. If his message moved you, share this video, spark a conversation, and most importantly, stand for something. Until next time, stay inspired.